Hey guys, let's see how to use a mini projector with a laptop. In this case, I'm talking about this CiBest mini projector, the W13, and I have to use an HDMI cable from the projector to my laptop. There's no way to use Bluetooth with this one because it's not available. If you have a Bluetooth for your projector, it's a different story, so you can use with the Bluetooth. But in this case, I just need to use an HDMI cable, which I have connected here to my laptop already. So you see here that I can connect using an adapter, so USB-C to HDMI, or I can use a direct HDMI to HDMI to connect to the projector, okay? As long as I have it connected here, then I can select the input here from the projector and I'm good to go. Let me just connect the cable here. So basically here is the input for the HDMI. I'll just grab the cable that I have just right here. This is a 4K HDMI cable. It works pretty fine with this one. I'll leave the link here in the description for this cable. It's a good idea to get the correct cable, otherwise it doesn't work, right? I just connect here, and remember that I need to come to the projector and select the input back there. So I come here to the HDMI input, and it's going to work. Just take a while and it loads. You see, it's working now. And basically I have here the main screen, and then here I have an extended screen. So it works like this. I can duplicate if I want to as well, or I can use the extended screen. Here on Dell, for example, I can just come here to the F8, and from here I can select what I want. If I want to use PC screen only duplicate or extend the screen, or use as a secondary screen only, okay? So I just like to use like this with an extended mode, so I can move from screen to screen like this, right? Coming down and then back up there. And it works pretty fine, so I can control everything from here as well. If I come here, I can control the volume from here and everything just from the computer. See here, the volume all the way down, all the way up. And then I can play something here. And it's going to play back there. And it's coming here from this speaker, right? Via the HDMI cable. So basically I can control the way, and I can also control from here. If I come here and I can select the speaker that I want, right? Instead of using this one from the HDMI cable, I can select the other one here. So I have a select input here, or output, sorry. And here is playing via the HDMI cable. And I can also connect and use the speakers here on the computer. So it's up to you. Want to play from here, want to play from there, from the projector. And if you're playing from the projector and you have an external speaker connected here to this port, it's going to play on the external speaker as well. And if your projector is different from mine and you have a Bluetooth speaker, it's going to play on the Bluetooth speaker as well. Okay, I hope that helps. That's the way you can connect your computer to a mini projector like this. This is the CiBest mini projector W13, right? Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.